I'm putting my liner in my air fryer, and I'm going to give it a little spray, because if you're cooking something with a skin on it, can kind of want to stick. So the recipe that I'm sharing with y'all today is, I think, in the lives of women, this might be one of our favorite proteins to eat, and that's salmon. In fact, Michael loves salmon. My grandchildren love salmon. So it's so quick, easy, delicious, but can be expensive. So sometimes you just might want to have a special occasion to cook it. And I can't hardly believe that Mother's Day is almost upon us. So for you dads out there that love to grill, this is a wonderful, wonderful way to cook a meal for Mother. I think most of the men enjoy taking their wives out on Mother's Day, and I get it. I get it. She can eat what she wants and then get up and walk away from all the dirty dishes. But this is great on the grill for any of you husbands that want to do that. Me, I think it's just as good. My air fryer cooks my salmon incredibly well. So I'm gonna make a marinade that I'm gonna brush on our salmon. And I'm gonna start with melting some butter. And I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. I also like a little brown sugar rub on my salmon. Do y'all like that?
I do.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Or just mustard sometimes.
Yeah, yeah,
And this is the best of all worlds, syrup and mustard.
yes. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. It came right out pretty good. Okay. I'm going to need 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. That's going to give it a nice little kick. And I'm going to give it 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's see, that's a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'll do that twice. And I will just put a little salt, I think, directly on the fish. And oh, this doesn't have any skin on it. That can be good, unless you, I kind of like the skin. Do you like the skin, Eddie?
Sometimes I'll get it with the skin, but I usually get the fillets like this.
Yeah. When I went to Alaska, I was doing an article in Cooking with Paula Deen magazine, and the state showed me such a wonderful time up there. And they got me started on my addiction for salmon dip. The best salmon dip you have ever put in your mouth. And of course, everywhere you went, everybody served that salmon dish, that salmon dip. And if I want really the very best salmon dip I can get, I order it from Alaska, because it makes a fabulous dip. It's very good. Very good. All right, I'm going to just put a little salt. Not going to go crazy with it, because you got such a nice sweetness in that sauce. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush our fish with this. That's a lot of marinade, isn't it?
I'll be pouring it all over.
Uh-huh, which that's probably what I'm gonna wind up doing. All right. Stack this in here. And depending on how you like the temperature of your salmon, I like mine not medium rare, but I think maybe medium is the best way. I can touch it and tell if the temperature is the way I like it. But 8 minutes is usually good in the air fryer. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to make sure I get in there and get that ground mustard on it. This is good enough to drink, y'all. All right. So into the air fryer it goes. Like I said, maybe a total of 8 minutes. But I am going to be turning them. And so all total, maybe 9 minutes. That's front and back. So y'all, I cooked this for 9 minutes. And all I did was top it with some green onion tops just for color. And I spooned a little of our marinade on top just because I could. And I hope that y'all will be willing to try cooking salmon in your air fryer, because it will never fail you as long as you don't overcook it. With some sticky rice. This would be wonderful. Or on top of a nice salad would be delicious. So dads out there that you're trying to figure out what you're going to do for your mother of your children, you can tackle this one easy. Just don't overcook it. Or even the kids. Your kids can make it for mama on Mother's Day. Y'all just make sure you take care of your sweet mothers, okay? Because you ain't got but one. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.